Hello and welcome to the channel. In tonight's video, and yes, you have seen me in this very same outfit 2 more videos ago. I'm on my way in the house, but I found something on the kitchen cabinet that I've been meaning to bring outside and pot up and get in the greenhouse. If you'd like to see what that is, stay tuned. All right, everybody. Excuse the mess in the background. This is my workstation, and I have not taken the chairs down and finished cleaning up the table, but that's not why we are here. We're not worried about that. It's springtime. We're getting everything ready for what it's going to look like, and probably this weekend I'll take care of that. But in the kitchen, I have this. Can y'all see that? Oh, mosquitoes. Can y'all see that? So in the kitchen, I have had this on the table, or actually on the counter. Can you see that? Look at that. Woo! This is a mango seed. Falling over. My sister gave me a mango a while ago. She says, come get this mango. Because she went to, I guess, Costco and bought some mangoes. And they were, I guess, too many for her to eat. And she told me to come and get a mango. Because she didn't want them to go bad. So, of course, I did what she said. And I went and got a mango. I have some reclaimed soil. Not a lot, just a little bit in a small container. Mosquitoes. And I put a little fertilizer in there. Now, you have to excuse me. The neighbor has been cutting the grass or having the grass cut, and I am not feeling the best. So this, my friends and family, if I can get it off this paper towel without tearing anything. Come on, little one, you can do it. You can do it. There we go. Slow but sure. All right, there we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yes. This is a mango seed. And this is what it's been doing inside of that bag. And I happen to see this little green piece poking out of the paper towel. And I looked inside. I was like, okay, this was bent down, but I opened the bag, and within 24 hours, this stood up. So we need to get this baby in some soil and in the greenhouse because, I mean, hello, it's ready to grow, y'all. So this is an experiment. Just like with the avocado seeds, this is an experiment. So I'm going to place this. Hang on, y'all. Y'all can't even see what I'm doing. Let y'all come close so that you can see. Come on. Come on. Come close. Okay, this is just the pot. The soil is moist. I will put a little bit more water in it. I just put a little hole, little indentation in there. And I'm going to place this baby just like this. Hope you all can see. It's getting dark out here, and it's not like this is the easiest thing to see. And I'm going to get a little bit of handful of soil out of that soil container, that soil bag. I'm going to put a little bit more soil on top of that to cover that seed up. And we're going to get this in the greenhouse. So let me get some more soil and I'll be right back. So I put a little bit more soil on top of that. I covered that seed up. This is hopefully going to straighten itself up on its own. I'm going to water this in and get this in the greenhouse. And then that is so it. The greenhouse is busy. I took a little rainwater, put some rainwater, and I had some clippings that died. Those were Russian sage. I just threw it on top because it was already in this pot. Let it rot down and become fertilizer. But I put some rainwater on it. I'm going to sit it right here. Actually, I'm going to move it back so it doesn't fall. And matter of fact, I'm going to put it on the top. Let's put it on the top, right up here. Just like that. Let me show you all what I did. I just moved it right here next to baby Lazarus. That's the second Lazarus that I have in here. That's a pomegranate. And this is the mango. So I'm going to leave it in here and hopefully it will grow. Let me show you. Let me move slowly. Sorry about that, y'all. Like those two. Those two are avocado. Now I repotted them in those bigger pots and I put them outside and they began to show all the way out. They did not like it. I put them over there on the side of the house with the citrus and they did not like being outside. They began to turn ugly leaves and droop. So I brought them back inside the greenhouse with their bigger pots. They're going to stay in here until they learn how to behave themselves. They're on greenhouse timeout. All right, everybody, I mean it this time. I am done. The sun is almost down. It is, oh, my watch died. And this one we're not going to talk about that one. Uh, it's probably 8 o'clock, almost somewhere in the close to 8:30 because the sun is going down and it gets dark here at 8:30. So that's it for me tonight. I have done all I'm going to do. I did more than what I was supposed to do, but it had to get done because I wanted to get that off the kitchen counter and make sure that my projects are moving themselves out of my kitchen and into the garden because it is springtime here, even though right now it does not feel like it, but that's okay. So thank you for joining me quickly in the garden this evening. If you like this little experiment, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share the video because those avocado down there, you all can't see because my big old body is in the way. Sorry about that, y'all. It is what it is. Those avocados started out just like that mango. So sometime by the end of this year and next year, that mango is hopefully going to take over and look just like, if not better, than those avocados down there. And those are two different variety avocados: a Hass avocado, and don't ask me what the other one is. It is a smooth green skin large pit avocado that I got from um, Central Market HEB and left it in the kitchen in the sink. It split open and sprouted. So I was like, okay, you want to grow? All right, I got you. So that's all for me tonight, everybody. Thank you again for joining with me in the garden on my garden adventures. And I'll see you next time around in the garden. Bye for now.